Do you want to know how you can log into your Prudent Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Prudent Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Prudent Mutual Fund Login. Scroll a bit down and you can click on the second link which appears. You can see login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and you can click on Funds Bazaar, which is over here. In a while you will be taken to the official login portal of Funds Bazaar Mutual Fund. Now what you need to do is write down your email address in this box over here and then write down your password in another one. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click on this and then you can check your password. Make sure your email ID and your password are correct and then click login. This way you can log into your Funds Bazaar Mutual Fund account quite easily. If you want to log in using OTP, go ahead and click login OTP and a mail will be sent to your OTP. Go ahead and write down the mail on the screen and then you can log in with OTP as well. I hope this video about how you can log into your Funds Bazaar Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.